Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I brought you another new job vacancy that you can apply right now. So this job vacancy is a customer service representative, or CSR in short term. The location of this job vacancy or the employee is quite special. If you ever visited Dubai or if you have some knowledge about Dubai, you may have heard the Dubai frame. It's one of the most high race in Dubai, where a lot of tourists are visiting. So this job vacancy is about assisting them or working as a customer service representative at Dubai frame. So it's going to be a very, very good opportunity for you to work in Dubai and one of the most prominent place in Dubai. So basically, when it comes to the responsibilities, these are some general CSR or customer service representative responsibilities. You will have to greet visitors, answer their questions, handling their check-ins and everything, manage their concern and etc. So if you have some previous experience about customer service representative, that would be an added advantage. But even if you don't have such experience, still you can apply for this post. They are just looking for 1 year experience, but if you are good enough, you can still apply for this without the experience as well. So let me show you how to apply for this job. First of all, you just have to visit this webpage that I'm sharing. So I'll post this link in the description below. Even if you can't find the job description or this link, let me show you how to find it. So just visit Google and type NewJobs.ae, NewJobs.ae, and you will get the result like this and go to this website. And here in the job ID section, type this job ID, which is 7205, and click search, and you will get a page like this, and click on this first result and you will get the same page that I'm sharing. So you will be able to see all the information about this job vacancy, how to apply and everything. Right, if you're accessing this from mobile, it's the UI is slightly different. So you just have to click this search icon here and again type this 7205 job ID 7205 and click search. So you get the same result here and you will be able to find the same job description page here as well. So basically, in order to apply, you just have to find this apply with section here, and there's an email mentioned. So all you have to do is create a proper CV of yourself and send that CV to this email address with the cover letter. Cover letter, by the sense, just mention you are interested in this job post. If you have some vacancy or some kind of experience about the things that you have done in past, you can just mention there as well in the summary. And don't forget to mention your contact details as well, because that's how they are getting back to you. So that's how you can apply for this job vacancy. Also, when it comes to salary, it's basically a salary range that they have mentioned, because it depends based on your competence and your experience. So the salary range is 3,000 dirhams to 4,000 dirhams as a starting point of this kind of job. It's a very good salary in my opinion. So this is going to be a very good opportunity for you to work in Dubai frame, which is one of the most iconic places in Dubai. So if you are interested to apply for this job, just follow the instruction that I mentioned. And if you have any friends or someone you know who are looking for a job vacancy in Dubai, just don't forget to share this video with them as well. And yeah, so that's the end of this video. And if you have any questions, just don't forget to drop a comment below. And I'll be posting these kind of job vacancies every single day, so don't forget to subscribe my channel as well. So thanks a lot for watching this video and have a nice day.